fellows, welcome to Uniek Makes by Christina. Today I have another Temu bag of goodies I want to share with you. I'm also part of Temu's affiliate, so I will have a Temu code, so if you've installed your Temu app or a new user, you can go ahead and use that, and you can use a $100 bundle. If you want to become part of their affiliate program, I will have a link below so you can go check that out. And yeah, let's get into this package of goodies. Okay, so let's check this. Let's see what I got in this box, because I don't remember. So let me open this. Oh, got me. Oh, okay, I know what this is. I believe this was, okay, this is actually another organizer I bought, and I believe I want to say it's for my blending brushes. So I got this one for that, and it does hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 15. I think that's pretty awesome. It is a clear plastic. I got that for that. I'll put a picture above so you can see. Yeah, I believe it's for my blending brushes. So I got that one. The next thing I got here is a die set, and it does come with the coordinating die. So this was like a Halloween, yeah. The Halloween girls. That's actually pretty big. Look at that. So come, and the die set does cut the girls, and it looks like it does cut out the books and these two little icons on there. Yeah, the little bottle. Yeah, the potion stuff. It does not cut the sentiments. I got that. And like I said, it does come with the coordinating die, which is awesome. Okay, these, I got some more. These are blending watercolor brushes, like blending brushes. I got some of these because I do, when I do the ink blending, I do also use watercolor brushes with color that has color in it. And I wanted some more of these. I could put some water in there and blend it a bit more. Got a set of those. And these were actually a good deal for those. Like that. Okay, next thing I hauled are these minty colored candy for Christmas. I really love the mint. Look at that, the mint color. Look at that. How gorgeous. And there's AB, so it just got that shine. So I got those. And these are beads. They are beads, so you got the hole there. Look at that. Real nice. Love, love, love. Another thing I hauled are these beads, Christmas beads. Look at that. I do love the shine on there. I got some other ones that I have in my stash, but these ones have been, I don't have these ones here. And the hole does run up and down, so the swirl will be showing. Awesome. Love it. So those. And I did order this peppermint stencil. I have another one which I got from Ollie's, but this one's a layering one, so I also have that one. And then right now Temu's having deals on their Halloween. So I ordered a stamp set, and it did come with the coordinating die. Oh, look at that. The witches. Love, love, love. Love it. Look at that. So you get the 4 witches. This is actually pretty big. And then the coordinating die does cut out the witches, the broom, And even, so I cut up everything with the image on there. It just does not cut the sentiment. Okay, so I got that one. And like I said, Temu right now is having sales on their Halloween, so this is a great time to get it. And then I did get some Halloween dies. This one I thought it was really cool. Let me show it to you on there. Look at that. So it has like little lines and it does have the skulls. This is a pretty cool die. I got that one. Okay, this one here. Now with these, I will put the pictures above. This one does have a little picture right there. So this looks like a winter one. So I got that die. Oh yeah, these are actually pretty cool. So they got the little picture also. There's another winter one. Oh, this is another one right here. I'll also put the pictures in the video when it comes to make all of these. Maybe we'll do a craft with me on this ones. I got those. Oh, this one here, it's little birds. Actually, I think I just reordered this again. If I reorder this a second time, I will be putting it away for a giveaway. I do have a giveaway plan in a few weeks, so keep an eye on that. But these are little birds perched on a branch, and it does have those stockings that go on the bottom. I thought this was cute. So that is my little haul I want to share with you. And like I said, Halloween right now is on, they're doing a lot of sales on Halloween, so this is a time to grab your stuff for next year. But yeah, this is just a little one that I want to share. I'll have all the links below for you, so that if you want any of those that are still available, you can get it and grab them yourself. Make sure you give a thumbs up so I know that you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Hit the notification so you do know when I upload a video. And yeah, with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.